Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to overlay images onto a video. And this is recommended to me by JDoggy4207, aka Jason B. Link for his channel will be in the description below. And for the purpose of this video, you will need Shotcut Video Editor. The link for that will also be in the description below. So now ideally you want both of your video and your picture file to be in the same folder. So for the purpose of this video, I'm using JDoggy4207's files, and we're going to go ahead and make an outro for him. So now what you want to do is you want to take your video file first and drag that into the project window, where it'll say recent projects right there. There's his outro. Now what you want to do after this point is you want to drag it onto your timeline. This will create a timeline for your video production, and that's the output. So this is video track 1. What we're going to do is we're going to add a second video track. So you're going to right click on it, track operations, and then add video track. So now we have a second video track to work with. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the image file now, the image that you want to overlay, and this can be any image, drag it onto your project window, and once again you're going to drag it onto your track, but this time you're going to drag it onto your video track 2. Here you go. We're dragging it on there right now, and as you can see, when I move the needle for the timeline viewer around a little bit, which is this little thing right here, you can see that the image is now overlaid onto the video. So it's very simple. You can drag this out, drag it in, depending on the length that you want this image to be viewed on the video for. Or, let's say you split the track. I use the hotkeys for this, so I pressed S and then X, remove that part. So now if you wanted to snap to something, like, let's say you wanted to snap to this part of the video right here, you just press these indicators, skip to next point. So that's how you do that. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.